Billy Bridger? Says on my pad here, criminal use of explosives, assault, attempted armed robbery, arson, attempted armed robbery. Did you try and rob the same bank 3 times?
No.
Oh, yes, you did. Because you're Billy Bridger. You are the son of big, bad, horrible Arthur Bridger. I'm Arthur fucking Bridger. Give me the fucking money. Now that's your dad, isn't it? So how comes he didn't get sent down with you then?
Because I did all them jobs on your own.
Oh, yeah? I've got a little deal for you. I'm putting together a unit. You're gonna fucking love it. It's right up your street, your sort of thing. And it's got to be better than being in there.
I'll be fine. What sort of unit?
Tell me, Bridger, do you like the seaside?
Do you like the fucking seaside?
Teams of 2, move!
I'm sick! I'm chucking me guts up over here!
Oh.
And you're just strolling off!
Oh, Bridger, liven yourself up, come on. There's a lovely little ice cream shop down there and I'm treating you to a cornet.
Give me a sec, will ya? I can barely move without spilling over.
What do you want me to do? Tuck you in and get you your teddy? Now come on, get moving. You got your explosives at the ready?
Yeah, and I've improved them with my own special recipe.
Oh, I see. You two, you know what to do! Careful with this one, Mason. Up and over! That's a Stuka incoming.
Them the planes were meant to blow up?
Yeah, that's them all right. Head down. You know the drill.
Have you been here before? Do you know where we're going?
Oh yeah, I come here all the time. I bring the missus along sometimes.
So that's a no then, is it? You don't know where we're going?
Listen, this job requires a certain amount of think on your feet. Do you understand?
Right. Yeah. Great.
Right then. Now get on them binoculars and tell me what you see.
Got some jerrys over here. See some barrels over there.
Yeah. I don't want to get too near them if things get interesting.
Maybe an airstrip off in the distance.
The hangar there is most likely secured. So once you're down there, pull your finger out your arse and find a way inside.
Looks like lots of rubbish. Maybe an alarm.
Yeah, probably a radio too. Now it's going to be best to watch out for both because we don't need more enemies showing up. Are you sure about these bombs of yours?
These safe pack of specials? They'll blow this place to pieces, mate, don't you worry. What if I get caught, though? You're just gonna piss off and leave me, yeah? Get all the glory yourself?
Glory? There ain't no fucking glory, son. Now listen to me, carefully. I'm gonna put my bombs on those planes over there. And you are gonna put yours on them there.
Yeah, all right.
Do not get caught. I'll be waiting for you at the meeting point.
I'm on it.
No time to waste, son. Down you go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Easy, easy. You horrible bastard, Mason. Fuck this for a game of soldiers.
Auf sie! Einer von denen! Hier!
Gonna be needing these.
In der Kaserne, als ich das letzte Mal nachgesehen habe. Der General ist beeindruckt von dem, was er sieht, steigt aus seinem Wagen, geht zu einem Gefreiten und sagt: Sagen Sie, Gefreiter, sind Sie hergekommen, um zu sterben? Schlechtes Gefühl. Sieh mal nach. Keine Ahnung. Schaut, als hätte die Versorgungsprobleme. Eine Tasche Bier, Rotschale. Da war nicht. Ich hab doch gesagt, da war nicht.
Now, how do I get inside?
Was Neues!
what we're looking for. That ought to do it. Now I just got to throw where Mason's hiding himself.
Genau hier! Verdammt!
Your bombs almost killed me.
Yeah, that's because my bombs went off. What about yours?
Mine are gonna go up any second. Watch this.
Jesus Christ, Bridget, did you plant your bombs or not?
Wait for it.
I'm telling you now, these special explosives of yours, they better be really fucking special.
Wait for it.
Bridget.
Any second now.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus. Here we are, up Fritz's shitter, and I ask you to do one thing. One fucking thing that you tell me that you're a big expert
Can I
in.
just say
No, you
that-
can't, because what the fucking hell was that?
I've occasionally had teething problems.
Teething problems? Don't make me fucking laugh. I could have done that with a fucking light breeze, a speck of rain, or a tiny teeny bird perched on that wing would have done more damage.
Keep your head down! All right, you bastards! Another one incoming!
Another round, eh?
Verdammt Mistkerl!
Let's see how you like this, flyboy.
Sie sind da drüben! Haltet sie alle auf!
Jesus Christ, Bridget, that was incredible. Thanks, yeah, you're welcome.
You're a fucking disaster.
Me? You're the one who's gonna got himself shot full of holes, ain't ya?
Yeah, because of you, you tit.
Listen, I was sitting pretty in prison, mate. I was not bothering nobody and not getting shots at till you come along. This is your fucking fault.
Listen to me. You took the fucking deal. You want to start paying it off your end? Then you need to fucking liven yourself up, boy. Do you understand me?
Halt! Wer seid ihr? Verfluchte Scheiße!
You're gonna have to do this next one on your own, all right? Just like you did all those banks, remember?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll get it done, no bother. You all right?
Yeah, of course I am. Listen. Take this. This goes bang on everything.
Right. I'll get down there and finish it up. Get you some help. I'm holding you to that deal.
Yeah, just do the job and we'll see. I'm gonna have a little kip in this shithole. Don't stand there staring at me. Move. Go.
You do all the work. Well, I'll take a nap, Billy. Sounds about right. Need to knock out all the supplies here. Might have what old Mason needs in there. Need to shut down those radar stations.
Bedarf im Krankenwagen noch. Oh Mann, das ist eine Welt. Fassung und Haltung, das wird hier gebraucht.
Gebrochenem Herzen kann man nicht kämpfen.
Wenn wir nicht mehr Bier kriegen, wird diese Armee nicht kämpfen. Einer alleinstehenden Frau kann man nicht trauen. Hey!
I need to make sure none of the supplies here get put to use.
Feuer eine verdammte Rakete aufs Grab! Feuer alle Beilege! Wir sind hier irgendwo!
Those are radar stations that need to be disabled.
Hol deinen Eimer.
Der Mann da ist am Boden!
Patients aren't going to believe the blast from this beauty. Yes!
Damit!